Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and welcome to day 3 of the Hoop Dance, the World Hoop Day Dance Challenge. So, the first day we downloaded the music, we played with it, and we did, you did the first 16 counts, and you improvised or choreographed however you did it, but the first 16 techno counts you did on your own. And then we learned the linear two-handed tracing isolation that came up. Now today we are going to learn getting loopy. So, and then stick around for a fun fact. And I'm going to give you the fun fact from yesterday, which I forgot to mention on the video, which was the daily fun fact about the tracers, is that a tracer can be used with other flow props, as in poi and other things other than just a hula hoop. So some of the techniques that you're learning with the hula hoop can be transferable skills. Pretty cool. Okay, so stick around for another fun fact at the end, which has to do with what we're doing with this particular move of this loop. So it's a hoop loop turn. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this down to the ground, and we're going to take the left foot, cross it over the right, and we're going to bring this up. This is 2 hands on the hoop. You can use any size hoop that you want, and you're going to be turning with this. So as I cross over to the right, I'm going to be turning towards the back, and I'm going to be coming up, and then I'm going to cross that left leg over again. I'm using the right leg as my pivot point, crossing and turning and bringing this back down into, and this is all in wall plane. So picture yourself with a wall in front and a wall in back. There's your wall plane. So, okay, now let's see here. Yeah, okay, so we're going to take this again. So left leg crosses over, bringing the hoop up, 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 and then crossing that leg over again, down, 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 down. So it's less important what the feet are doing, it's more important what the upper body is doing. So if you only can remember one thing, just remember to get this part here. Okay, so we're going to be getting that turn. And with the choreography with the World Hoop Day Dance for the song, for the Get Into Life with the Hula Hoop, is you're going to be doing this really slow. So there's this fast techno part, and then this nice slow delicious part before it gets into a little bit of rap, and then a little bit more pop. And it's a short song, so we'll have a chorus that repeats and all that kind of good stuff. All right, so we're going to take crossing over, lifting up, crossing over, bringing down. So if we do that on the other side, which we will be doing, so I'm going to teach you that, you're going to be crossing the right over, very same movement, we're just doing it in the reverse direction. Take the left over the right, you're using your right as your pivot leg. So you're going to be keeping constant turning with the left. So you're crossing the left over, bringing the hoop up, coming to center where the feet are square, and then crossing over with the left again, bringing the hoop back down. So what that looks like is in the choreography in this, you're going to start from the bottom. You're going to bring this up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to bring it in with that linear tracing isolation 5, 6, 7, 8, and then out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then coming down 5, 6, 7, 8, and then going back up, crossing up and over, up to the top, and then crossing down to the bottom. And then we're going to bring it straight down. Repeat the whole thing on the other side. So bring this up, 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 in, out, 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 down, 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 crossing it over, coming up, and down, 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 down. So I'll try that one more time with the music, or without the music, and then we'll try it one time with the music. So we're going to start down below. So if we did the first 16 counts, techno, 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 we end up hands outside grip on the hoop, and we're going to bring this up 1, 2, 3, 4, come in 5, 6, 7, 8, out 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, cross turn, up, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. you'll see how that goes with the music. Okay, so let's try that with the music. Okay, we're going to throw that techno part in. So if you haven't already choreographed that part, just improvise something. And I highly suggest doing some poses or whatever you like to do, but you do not have to use every single beat count. And I highly recommend holding for 4 and then getting back down to this position here so we're ready for the next move. All right, here we go. So, it's going to wait for just a moment. Do all your cool, fun stuff. If you've got fun tricks to draw, now, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5. So hopefully you see how that goes with the music. So I just counted out slower, so I counted in 4s rather than in 8s. On that, you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, in that manner. Whatever you feel comfortable with, that you get it. We'll do that one more time, and I'm going to let y'all go. So, and then you get to go practice on your own. So again, starting out with that techno part, do all your fancy stuff. Whatever you want to do. So you can pose. Bring it in down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and coming down, up, and down. That's it, and then we start the rap part. So that is your assignment for today. Today's day 3, and putting that all together. You only need a few minutes each day to learn this, so you can cram it all together. We're going to be doing 5 days of learning, 1 day of review, 1 day of Q&A, and then we're going to do the next week, 5 days, 1 day review, and then Q&A, and we're going to repeat that cycle. And then on the last days, we will be doing 2 bonus on the 31st, 30th, and 31st of the challenge days. We will be doing a performance prep and also a video tips and tricks, so that you can do this dance and participate in World Hoop Day wherever you are. Now, if you're sticking around on this video, which I really hope you are, here's the fun fact. Okay, so we're doing this move in wall playing, which I want you to think of, there's a wall in front of you and a wall behind, and you're going to imagine this like the world's, whatever shape, size you are, it doesn't matter, you're sandwiched in between. So I want you to really consider bringing this up and over, and staying sandwiched in between this imaginary wall. So that is wall playing. So when you break that plane, if we take this out, this is breaking that plane. So we have horizontal plane, vertical plane. So this is wall plane and vertical plane because we're staying vertical with this, with our hoop. So that is a cool fact about wall playing. Just a little bit of hoop jargon to add to your tech repertoire. You may already know that, you may not. So hopefully you enjoyed that little fun fact of today. And so I will see you on day 4, and we're going to get into the beginning of the dance. And teasing. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Rock on, peace out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the World Hoop Day dance. Keep practicing, and if you have any questions, save them for day 7, or you can ask them along the way, and I will save them up to answer on day 7. So, all right, so keep reviewing, keep learning, and we'll see you on the next one. Rock on, peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.